You're sitting here like this, letting yourself settle into all the ideas, all your thoughts, all the amazing flashes, downloads that you've received and that you will continue to receive. Remember, this is just the beginning. You truly are blessing. You truly are completion. Just settle into this for a few more moments. You'll know when it's time because all of this that you receive now and tonight as you sleep and dream, and in the days ahead, till at some point when we do meet again, there'll be so much more, just like gardens that grow, that bloom and blossom. And the cycle of life, life comes, life grows, and as one idea ends, a new one begins. Letting go and also making space for new. Take all the time that you need. And when you're ready, you find yourself once again into your consciousness. And just know that tonight, when you do let your head rest on your pillow, you will drift deep, deep, deep inside and receive